Listen up, folks, because times are tough, aren't they? If you're living in the UK and want to turn just £100 into a steady side income without quitting your job, then this video is for you. Feeling the pinch with the cost of living soaring, but what if I told you this could actually be the best time to build your financial freedom? People are scared of a recession, and I get it, but fear paralyzes and we need to be proactive. The good news is more and more people are looking for ways to supplement their income, and that's why I'm here to show you exactly how to do it. Forget risky investments or get-rich-quick schemes. This is about building sustainable income streams, pound by pound, so you can weather any storm. Whether it's covering your bills, treating yourself, or building a safety net, a little extra cash flow can go a long way. So, are you ready to take control of your finances? Let's get started. Now, you might be thinking, investing, but I don't have thousands to throw around. Don't worry, you don't need to be Warren Buffett to get started. With just £100, you can dip your toes into the world of dividend stocks. Think of it like this. You buy a small piece of a company and they reward you with regular payments called dividends just for being a shareholder. It's like having your money work for you, earning you a little something extra in the background. There are plenty of platforms out there that let you buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest in big-name companies without breaking the bank. Remember to do your research, start small and reinvest those dividends to really see your money grow over time. Ever thought about selling your own designs, but the thought of stockrooms full of unsold t-shirts? That's where Print on Demand comes in. This clever business model lets you create and sell designs on everything from mugs to phone cases without ever holding any inventory yourself. You create the design, list it on platforms like Redbubble or Etsy, and they handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. Your profit comes from the difference between the base price and your markup. Plus, focusing on UK shipping and customers can save you on costs and delivery times. The best part? This side hustle is perfect for creative types who love designing. Just £100 can get you started with basic design software and cover listing fees. Remember, it's all about unique designs that resonate with your target audience. Chapter 3, Kindle Direct Publishing. Become a best-selling author, sort of. Always fancied yourself a bit of a wordsmith? Well, with Kindle Direct Publishing, you can turn those words into a source of passive income. We're talking about self-publishing ebooks on Amazon, the world's largest online bookstore. No need to worry about printing costs or finding a publisher. You write the book, format it, design a cover, and upload it directly to Amazon. They handle the rest, and you earn royalties on every sale. From how-to guides to fiction novels, the possibilities are endless. With just £100, you can invest in some editing software or even hire a freelance editor to polish your masterpiece. And remember, even a few sales a month can add up over time. Chapter 4, Matched Betting. Turning the tables on the bookies. Now this one might be risky, but trust me, matched betting is a completely legal and surprisingly reliable way to make extra cash. It's all about taking advantage of free bets and promotions offered by bookmakers. Don't worry, you don't need to be a gambling whiz. You'll be using odds comparison sites to place strategic bets on both possible outcomes of an event, guaranteeing yourself a profit regardless of the result. It does require a bit of time and effort to learn the ropes, but there are plenty of free resources and communities online to help you. With just £100, you can start small and gradually increase your profits as you gain confidence. Chapter 5, Cashback Investing Shop. Earn, invest, repeat. We all love a good bargain, right? But what if I told you that you could turn your everyday spending into passive income? That's the genius of cashback investing. It's simple. Sign up for a cashback website like Top Cashback or Quidco and shop online as you normally would. You'll earn cashback on your purchases, which you can then invest in a low-cost index fund through platforms like Vanguard. It might not seem like much at first, but those small amounts really add up over time, especially with the power of compound interest on your side. Even if you only earn £20 cashback a month, that's still £240 a year being invested without you even noticing. Outro, take control of your finances. So there you have it. 5 proven ways to turn just £100 into a steady side income right here in the UK. The key is to choose an idea that genuinely interests you and fits your lifestyle. Let's say you upload 5 t-shirt designs on Redbubble, and each one earns you just £10 a month. And that's £600 a year from designs you made once. Imagine the possibilities if those designs really take off. You're not just saving money anymore. You're making your money work for you. Finance doesn't have to be boring, but freedom is never boring. Comment below which idea you'd actually try, and don't forget to subscribe if you value your time more than your paycheck.